Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a folder in Wrike. All right. Go ahead and log into your Wrike account. Once you're in here, go to the left panel and select this space. For example, this space right here. As you can see, we have our projects and folders. So what we're going to do is just select the folder. All right. Or just click on the three dots. And here we have the share option. Just click on it. Now go ahead and invite someone. It could be by name. You can invite someone by name if they are in your Wrike account. Okay. Right here, for example, I'm just going to invite my second account. And then I'm just going to hit on invite by email and hit on send to invite. Okay. Got it. There you go. As you can see here, we just added a second account. Just going to hit on copy link and send it to this person. Not, go ahead and go to advanced. You can go ahead and click on selective sharing. And it says here folder or project does not inherit sharing settings from the parent items. If you don't want that, just hit on the slider once more and hit on close. Now go ahead and send this link to the person you invited. All right. You will have the link as well. Now, we also have the share button right here at the top right. Just click on it with the same set of steps. Okay. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.